Hey guys, it's Duncan here from Voyager RV. I'm one of the Red Seal technicians here, and we're going to be winterizing your trailer today in 3 easy steps. First step, we're going to be draining your fresh tank and your hot water tank. Step 2 is going to be finding your bypass valve for your pump and your hot water tank. And step 3 is going to be running antifreeze through the lines and putting antifreeze into the P-traps and wiping out your sinks. For the start of step 1, we're going to want to make sure we drain our fresh tank here at the low point drain. So now that we're at our hot water tank, there's a couple things you're going to keep note of. If you've been using your hot water tank, the water may be hot inside, so you'll want to make sure any heat source is turned off. You'll also want to make sure your pump is turned off and you relieve any pressure at the valve up top here. Okay, we're going to want to drain our tank here. This is a Suburban tank with an anode rod, and the socket size is 1 1/16". For an Atwood, the sockets are 15/16", and for Dometics, they're 1 1/16" as well. And the water would drain out here. All right, for step 2 here, we're going to locate our bypass valves for our hot water tank and our pump. Conveniently in this J-code, they're side by side underneath the bathroom sink here. So now for your hot water bypass valves, you're going to want to turn them in line with the bypass line here so that your hot and your cold line are connected, and no antifreeze is going to go into your hot water tank. All right, let's put our antifreeze siphon line into the jug. For step 3 here, we're going to start running the antifreeze through the lines. First, we want to find our pump switch here. We're going to go to the kitchen faucet, for example, here, and we're going to run our hot side until it runs pink for a couple of seconds, and then you can run the cold side. Okay, now we can run our cold side. All right, so now we're gonna go around to each faucet and fixture. For example, your outside shower, your toilet, your bathroom sink, and your shower and tub. So we'll step on the valve here. It's running pink, so we know it's good. For the shower here, we will run the faucet. It's running pink, we can turn that off. On the cold side, till it runs pink, and also do the shower head itself. So just keep an eye on your antifreeze jug as well. You may need a couple typically, and you will have to change over to a fuller jug. So you will want to make sure you have an extra jug or at least some remaining antifreeze to pour down into your P-trap so they don't freeze. After you do that as well, you're going to want to wipe out your sinks. Some of the sinks in these RVs can stain from the antifreeze if left in there over the winter. Now that we've finished winterizing your trailer in the 3 easy steps of flushing your fresh tank and your hot water tank, 2, finding your bypass valves for your pump and your hot water tank, and 3, running antifreeze through the lines, putting antifreeze into the P-traps and wiping out your sinks. You are completed, and you can put it into storage now. If you had any questions, you could always give us a call at Voyager here, and also if you wanted us to do the servicing for you, you could book online, you can call in, we can have a mobile team come out to you, and we also have a drive-through department where you can just bring your trailer, we can winterize it and send you on your way. So thanks again for watching, and happy travels.